Well, Tricia, it looks like you're doing a little pruning there.
Well, actually, you know, so many yards have the problem, I know I do, of dogs running through and breaking branches.
Right.
Well, somebody delivered something the other day and they broke off a couple of these branches of the plumbago. So, see where it's broken here?
Yeah.
So I'm just going to cut that off, and you don't have to throw it away when this happens. There are ways to make a, you know, lemonade out of lemons. See what I'm doing? I'm just stripping off the lower part of the branches. Make
Right.
sure that you have about 6 inches of it. And then I'm going to moisten this, dip it in some rooting hormone, at least 2 inches. Make sure you do that.
Oh, in order to sprout an entire new plant then.
Right, it's really going to help it along very quickly.
Now what is this? This looks like some a lot of sand in here.
Yeah, that's a mixture of sand and peat moss. And what I did was I put some screening at the very bottom to keep the little varmints out from crawling in and chewing on some of the roots. And all I do is stick this sprig that we cut off and put it in this mixture with the rooting hormone on, and it will start to grow.
And obviously some water in there.
Yeah, we're going to water it, and then the final thing that we want to do is put a plastic bag around it to keep the humidity high.
Oh, just like a little greenhouse.